Good day to everyone. How are you today? Let's start our English lesson. Please take your books and your copybooks and go to page number 38. Сәлеметсіздер ме, балалар? Ағылшын тілі сабағын бастаймыз. Здравствуйте, ребята. Начинаем английский урок. And today's our new theme is about a lake or a sea. Let's watch the video.
A lake or a sea? It is the largest enclosed body of water on Earth. In fact, it is so large, some people call it a sea, although most scientists argue it is a lake. The Caspian Sea, located in Western Asia, on the eastern edges of Europe, is the world's largest lake, but it is not a freshwater lake. In ancient times, people thought it was an ocean because it tasted so salty. So what exactly is the Caspian Sea? The Caspian Sea is not connected with an ocean, which makes it like a lake. However, it is very big and its water is salty, which makes it like a sea. It is 371,000 kilometers square, and it borders 5 countries: Kazakhstan, Russia, Azerbaijan, Iran, and Turkmenistan. It is almost 4 times bigger than Portugal. Because of the large area it covers, the depth is not the same in all parts of the lake. The northern part is about 6 meters deep, while the southern end is more than 1,000 meters. So where does the water come from? Fresh water flows into the Caspian Sea from the Volga River and Ural River in the north. In fact, 130 large and small rivers flow into the Caspian. However, the sea remains somewhat salty, central and south. As there are no outlets, the Caspian Sea loses water only through evaporation, the process during which a liquid turns into gas. This makes its blackish water even saltier. The Caspian Sea is an amazing natural attraction. It has a huge variety of wildlife, such as the Caspian seal, the Caspian turtle, and 90% of the world's sturgeons, including the beluga. This is the fish that produces caviar. Caviar is the eggs of the sturgeon. It is very tasty but quite expensive. This means fishing is quite popular there. And although biologists are worried about what overfishing does to this ecosystem, there are other threats. As the lake's water levels rise, many plants and animals become extinct. The levels of the Caspian Sea change according to the amount of water that flows in from the Volga River. In turn, that depends on weather conditions in the North Atlantic. As a result, this makes the Caspian Sea very important to scientists studying the causes and effects of global climate change. Whether it is a sea or a lake, the Caspian Sea is a natural attraction worth visiting and studying.
And also, today we have a vocabulary. Please listen and repeat.
Ancient times.
Ancient times. Ерте заманда, древние времена.
Body of water.
Body of water. Су коймасы. Су айдын. Водоем.
Border.
Border. Шекара. Граница.
Connected.
Connected. Байланысқан, байланысты, связанный.
Enclosed.
Enclosed. Салынған, вложенный.
Flow.
Flow. Ағу, құйылу, сорғалау, течь, литься.
For sure.
For sure. Әлбетте, міндетті, обязательно.
Freshwater lake.
Freshwater lake. Шағын мүйіс, лагуна.
However.
However. Дегенмен, однако.
Including.
Қоса алғанда, қоса есептегенде. Включая, в том числе. Lose. Жоғалту, айырылып қалу, терять, лишаться. Northern. Солтүстік теріскей, северный. Outlet. Шығыс, шығу, выход.
Produce.
Жасау, өндіру, шығару, производить. Through. Түгелдей, әбден, насквозь, совершенно. Wildlife. Тірі табиғат, живая природа. Please write down these new words on your copybooks with their translations. Task 1. Exercise 1. You have to read this text carefully and do tasks. Task 2. Exercise 1. You have to give the answers to these questions. Бірінші тапсырма. Бұл тапсырмада берілген сұрақтарға жауаптарын жазыңыздар. Первое задание. Отвечаем на эти вопросы. Task 2. You have to complete the text with the words below. This is listening exercise. Үшінші тапсырма. Тыңдалым тапсырмасы. Тыңдап отырып, қалып кеткен сөздерді қойып шығыңыздар. Третье задание. Слушание. Внимательно послушайте аудио и поставьте нужные слова.
Big Almaty Lake is one of the most beautiful lakes in Kazakhstan. It is around 1 kilometer wide and 40 meters deep. It was formed by the movement of an ancient glacier. It is one of the most important sources of water for the city of Almaty. It is located in Zalaisky Alatau Mountains, in Almatinka Gorge. Big Almaty Lake is home to a variety of birds and is rich in flora and fauna. It is an amazing natural attraction, and you can see the surface of the lake changing color from pale to dark turquoise over the day.
Homework exercise. Exercise 3. Collect information about another lake. Use these headings: name, width, depth, borders, waters, home to, and interesting facts. You have to write a short text about it for the school's English magazine. You have to write 60 or 80 words. Үйге тапсырма. Үшінші жаттығу. Қазақстанның немесе басқа елдердің көлдері жайлы ақпарат тауып келіңіздер. Домашнее задание. Третье упражнение. Напишите краткий информационный текст про озера Казахстана или других стран. Good luck to everyone!